Hi, my name is Renee Hemrick. Today I'll talk to you about my research project. Does music integration enhance mathematical fluency and retention? The past research has shown that music is a catalyst to improve mathematical ability. There's an interconnection between music and math. Music strengthens and stimulates cognitive function. Music provides an extension beyond traditional approach to math instruction. Integrating music with math is an interdisciplinary approach to connecting multiple content areas. I read that positive recall was associated with music integration in math. And finally, music motivates and engages students. The rationale behind this study was to validate music's positive cognitive role in mathematics, to prove if the specific use of skip counting songs and/or musical flashcard recitation increases fluency and retention in multiplication facts, and finally, demonstrate if there's a preference over certain methods of music integration. My participants were two fourth grade male students with ADHD who did not have fluency in their 6 through 9 multiplication facts. A timed 25-question quiz was given for 5 days on one fact family. The baseline was taken the first day, and then music integration proceeded the 4 days after. Weeks 5 and 6 was a 12-question untimed quiz. I calculated fluency and accuracy each week. I measured which music integration displayed a greater retention, and I analyzed the students' retention the last 2 weeks. I was very pleased with the results of this study. Does music integration enhance mathematics fluency and retention? My results say yes. If you look at the baseline on week 1, as opposed to day 5 on week 1, there was a 5-minute difference after the implementation of the musical integration. And each week, I saw a drop in the time, except for week 3, student A actually did increase, but otherwise, the results showed these kids were getting faster at their math facts. The results for their accuracy in retention were also very good. Week 5, I saw student A 98% accuracy average, and week 6, 100% accuracy average. And for student B, he had a 72% accuracy average, and then on week 6, student B had a 93%. Now to looking at the two different types, skip counting versus musical recitation. The data was synthesized to determine if there was a greater fluency and retention between differing methods of music that were incorporated. So weeks 6 and 8 used the musical flashcard recitation, and I saw that that took longer, and it also wasn't as accurate as the skip counting that was used on weeks 7 and 9. The students enjoyed the skip counting and were able to understand them and remember the facts much quicker with the skip counting songs. So as we discuss this study, there are limitations to the study. Student attendance. One student missed 4 days, and he's the one that didn't retain as much information. Maybe those 4 days had something to do with it. Time constraints. Had I been giving a longer time, I could have seen long-term retention rates. A limited pool of participants. I only was testing 2 boys with different disabilities. And then the type of music. Maybe a different type of music would have yielded different results. So for future research, maybe a broader sample of students and music integration in different content areas. Proverbs 4:7 says, "Wisdom is the principal thing. Therefore get wisdom. And with all thy getting, get understanding." We're trying to educate our students in the wisest way. We research and we test, we draw our conclusions, but ultimately, we need God's wisdom to lead us as we lead our students. Thank you so much.